What's up, externals, and welcome back everyone to another video on the channel. This one is called, oh my gosh, I forgot the name, and this is an event, by the way, and it gives you a free item. I'll be giving you the guys the game link in the below, so all you have to do is complete this tutorial and you'll get yourself the purple adventure hat. So go to the orange wall, it's right here, and then what you gotta do is, you see this slanted tree, climb on it all the way to the top. So let me start climbing and jump, and you see there's a blue mountain right over there. So you gotta go to the blue mountain. Let me keep going up until you have to go to the blue mountain. Then you have to go to the red, and then you need 5,000 coins. It takes about 5 minutes to 8 minutes. So just follow me where I go. So this will give you, these are just other one. We don't want to go there to get the purple adventure hat. You see there's some red mountains coming up right now. You have to go there and grind until you have 5,000 coins and get in. And you need to enter the zombie area. Go click on the green button, and then there you go. You get yourself your prize. It will give you a badge, and you won't get it right to your account because you'll get it on July 1st. That's tomorrow. You'll get it tomorrow, the item. Just follow what I'm doing right now, and it will lead you. As you can see, there's no zombies finally. Create a free, the server to create is free. You can create a free server because in other servers, there's some zombies coming around. Now, as you can see, I'm getting so much coins fast. You can do some emotes if you want. I'm just gonna do number 3. Oh, see, you need 5,000. It says 5,000 coins needed for access to one free virtual item. And the one free virtual item is the purple hat. And there are a lot of other items that you can get. I'll post them on my other video. So once you get 5,000, I think that's a good deal. I'll just go with that. For 1 minute. Just go. 100 coins. You can choose which one you want. 250 coins per every 1 minute, 30 seconds. 100 coins every 3 seconds. I already got 1,000 that fast. So let's keep grinding until we get 5,000. And then you will get yourself the purple hat. You gotta enter the realm. And once you get enough, just get in and get yourself the free item. So let me wait until I get 5,000. Enjoy the music and relax. Enjoy the music and relax. And while my account is grinding, and when I have 5,000, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what to do next. I already got 2,000 that quick. Let's see. In this green, hop, get back, go there. Go there. Oh my God, you got yourself to do that. There. When that turns green, go like that. Just keep jumping. Click on space and keep jumping. So if you're AFK, it won't give you any coins. Oh my gosh, we're already on 3,000. It's fast. I thought it takes 5 minutes or 8 minutes. And there, I'm gonna get 4,000 soon. Then once I get 5,000, I'll just go into the room and get myself the purple adventure hat. Just remember this, you won't get the prize directly into your account. It will come tomorrow on July 1st. We got 4,000. Let's just wait until we get 5,000. We're so close to get 5,000, guys. I would recommend you guys to create a free a private server, because if somebody is doing a zombie, the zombie can also come outside. If somebody has 5,000 coins and they go in and they come out, the zombie's gonna follow them, and if they follow them, it won't let you grind for coins. So try to create a private server. It will be much faster. 4,610, just 400 more. Then I can show you guys what to do next. Okay, let's see. Okay, I just keep jumping. Just one more, then we're done. Yep, we got 5,000. Now what you gotta do is go there. It says 5,000 coins needed for access one free virtual item. So get in and get here, go there, and then there. I got myself the bag. I won the purple adventure hat. So now we got the prize. As I said, it won't come to your account. You have to wait until July 1st, aka it's tomorrow. Then you will get it to your account. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. This is External and signing off. Thank you guys.